Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to play California Love on keyboard. We'll begin by tackling the instantly recognizable main riff. You'll want to select a synth brass or string patch for that classic sound. Your right hand will handle the melody, primarily using the G-sharp minor scale, while your left hand lays down a steady, simple bass line. Focus on a smooth, connected feel between the notes to capture the original's vibe. This foundational riff sets the stage for the entire song. Next, let's explore the core chord progression that underpins California Love. It's a 4-chord loop: G-sharp minor, C-sharp minor, F-sharp major, and B major. You can play these as basic triads or simple inversions to keep it manageable. Your left hand's bass line will typically mirror the root notes of these chords, providing a solid foundation. Practice transitioning smoothly between each chord, ensuring your rhythm stays tight and consistent. This progression repeats throughout much of the song. Now, let's dive deeper into the melody and how to add some harmonic richness. The primary melody line is built around the G-sharp minor scale, giving it that signature West Coast sound. Pay close attention to the syncopated rhythm. It's crucial for capturing the song's groove. For added depth, try incorporating subtle harmonies, perhaps by playing parallel thirds or octaves with your right hand. Don't be afraid to experiment with different synth patches to find a sound that truly resonates with the original track. Finally, let's talk about refining your performance and practice routine. Start by practicing each section slowly with a metronome, gradually increasing the tempo as you gain confidence. Continuously listen to the original California Love to internalize its precise timing and overall feel. Pay attention to dynamic contrast, varying your touch to make your playing more expressive and engaging. For a more complete experience, try playing along with a simple drum beat. Consistent practice will help you master this iconic track.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.